Welcome back, my friends. It's time for Crafting Pastel Gingerbreads, hosted by Sarah from Jujubee DIY and Jackie from Crafting in Mimi's World. Links to the host and the playlist will be in the description box. For this DIY, I have both crafter square cotton fabric and felt and a cutout of a gingerbread man. I did a generic search online and just traced this out on parchment paper. So I want these pastel gingies to be like little stuffies, little toys. I had to add tape to keep my little stencil down on my fabric because this came from a roll of parchment paper, so it just naturally wanted to roll itself up. But once I got it down, just went ahead and traced out my image on both pieces of fabric. And once I had them cut out, I placed straight pins in them so I could keep them together while I'd stitch them up. And I will stitch them not completely, but I'll leave an opening so I can fill it with fiber fill. Once that was complete, I turned them inside out so that I could get them full of the fiber fill. And I stitched these just because it's relaxing for me just to sit and stitch, but you can use hot glue, fabric glue, whatever's most convenient for you. Okay, so here they are on the right side. So I'm gonna go ahead and stuff them. I'm using fiber fill from an old pillow, but I mean, you can use plastic bags, paper shred, whatever you have. And once they were fully stuffed, I closed the top with a stitch, and then I moved on to adding a rickrack ribbon that I found at Hobby Lobby to add a faux frosting detail to the arms and legs. With their frosting trim complete, I wanted to add a little bow to the top of each head, and I used this off-white lace ribbon for the purple one or the pink one, and then I used a pink gingham for the purple one. I wish I had purple gingham. That would have been really cute, so they would have the opposing color on each head, but I'm just using what I had in my stash. And for their eyes, I found some tiny buttons. I had a jar of buttons from Dollar Tree, so I found the tiniest buttons, and they're not exactly the same color, but I think that kind of adds a little cuteness to it, and that's what I use for their eyes. And for the little buttons down the front, the candy buttons, I use Dollar Tree gemstone stickers, and then I found some clear stickers for the mouth. I'm not sure about the mouth. Let me know if you think it looks cute or if it makes them look a little creepy. I was really trying to make them look as cute as possible, but let me know your thoughts. And here they are, complete, my little pastel pals. What do you think? For beautiful crafting inspiration on a budget, please check out our hosts, Sarah at Jujubee DIY and Jackie from Crafting in Mimi's World. For this DIY, I have a stencil from Chocateur, a DollarTree stocking from the Color Your Own Ornaments. I've already painted the bottom portion white, and some pink glitter vinyl. I've already mixed some red and white paint together to make it pink, so I can have a cute pink gingerbread man on the stocking. So I had pre-mixed the red and white to make a pink, and you're not really supposed to overload too much onto your stencil, your mesh stencil, but I ended up putting a little bit too much because I didn't want to have any gaps, and I ended up with a little oopsie under one of his arms, but I go back and fix that. And then I wanted to just add some pink vinyl at the top of the stocking. I thought that would be a really cute look. And I will link that paste in the description box. I actually found it on Amazon. I found a pack of 6 colors that were a really great deal. And once my vinyl topper was complete, I added just a little bit more white to touch up that little smudge area. And when that was dry, I added extreme glitter so the bottom portion would have a glistening effect as well. I'm really loving this pastel glam look of this stocking. Let me know, what do you think? Okay, I'm starting this DIY with a wooden birdhouse. I found this at Walmart, 98 cents. It's an interesting shape that I haven't used before in a birdhouse. I'm starting with the sticker, and I have Paradise from Ceramic Coat. Then I added an accent of daybreak, and I went around this little small area at the top and at the bottom, and the very bottom portion I added white so it looked like frosting and the perch. And when I was finished with that, I have various types of gemstone stickers, embellishments from Dollar Tree. So I added those around the bottom and the opening, the little doorway, and I spiraled some larger gems on the rooftop just to make it different from the last gingerbread house I made, and I will have that one linked. I just wanted a different effect, and I think these gem colored stickers really provide a really nice accent to these beautiful pastel colors. All of the open painted spots, I'm adding this extreme glitter so it has a beautiful sugared effect to it to look like it's just glistening. And once that extreme glitter was all dry, I wanted to add a few faux gummies. I found these on Amazon last year, and I will have them linked in the description box. Just one on either side of the opening to the birdhouse. I thought would be just an adorable, sweet little accent, and that was it for this piece. I really love the final result. You'll have to let me know, what do you think of this piece? And here's a look back at the other two DIYs from this video. These were so much fun to make. A special thanks to the hosts, Sarah and Jackie. I will have their channels linked in the description box along with the playlist. Thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day.